Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make black coffee, an easy guide for a perfect cup every time. First, let's start with the fundamentals. Always select fresh, high-quality coffee beans. This is the foundation of great flavor. Then, grind your beans right before you brew to capture their full aroma and taste. Finally, remember to use filtered water, as impurities can significantly alter your coffee's delicious profile. These simple steps ensure a fantastic start to your brewing journey. Now, let's talk about grind size and the perfect coffee-to-water ratio. For most popular brewing methods, such as drip or pour-over, a medium grind is ideal. A widely accepted golden ratio is 1 part coffee to 16 parts water, measured by weight. This means for every 8 ounces of water, you'll want to use approximately 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Getting this balance right is crucial for extracting the best flavors from your beans. There are several fantastic ways to brew black coffee, each offering a unique experience. Drip coffee makers are incredibly convenient, providing consistent results with minimal effort. For those who enjoy more control, pour-over brewing allows you to precisely manage the water flow and extraction. If you prefer a rich, full-bodied cup with a bit of sediment, the French press is an excellent choice. Explore these methods to find your personal favorite. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly brewed black coffee. For the freshest and most vibrant taste, serve your coffee immediately after brewing. If you have any unused coffee beans, store them in an airtight container, away from light and heat, to maintain their freshness. Don't be afraid to experiment with various roasts and origins. This is how you'll discover your absolute favorite flavor profile. Cheers to your delicious homemade black coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.